Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kinong ilam jong kaseng Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee henne kasngi ka kharlai tri ujuleu kila kantai wari ka jingmi ki kubor ba Martin M Dango ubalong UMLA jong kaseng Congress Naranikor constituency un samina na kaseng Congress bat un select penyeso no bat kaseng National People's Party. Unong aktien ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uzinet sangma ha ka jingi kendo bat kinong pasai kubor ha Congress bawan henne kasngi. Ulai itu ba baro arpwe ngot ki MLA kaseng Congress hadu menta kidon ha pedeng kajingnya teli bat kajingnya sungtu jingmon. Hakbe dai pat ba kajing khliap no ekalama jong kaseng Congress Haranikor constituency. Da kinong ilam jong Haranikor Block Congress Committee uzenet sangma ulong ba kadai kajing da iben bat kajing Punjab Burom ya kaseng Congress. Laban kadaw hang ni dang hnen kasngi ka khat ar tere ujeleu baro kinong ilam bat kit khot kaseng Congress jong Haranikor Block Unit kila eno ya kajing long khot jong kaseng Congress bat mu bandai penyeso no pan ba kaseng NPP.
We are pleased to tell you that all the 21 MLAs are intact. So we have got trust on all the MLAs. Then we are sure that all the MLAs are intact and will work together. At present, we are, as opposition, we are functioning the role of opposition in the right perspective in the interest of the people of the state. Nothing is final in politics. If somebody says he or she will do something, then it is still in the future tense. And I am very much confident that Mr. M. Dango is very senior and mature politician, seasoned politician, and he cannot take any wrong decision. There will be some other agenda which cannot be spelled out at this moment.